प्रोमो मैंने देखा है और बहुत इंक्विजिटिंग है और मेरा भी बहुत मन कर रहा है उसको जब फिल्म पर्दे पे आएगी तो हमसे सेलिब्रिटीज़ जब भी आते हैं हमें अच्छा लगता है। और सनी बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट हैं, बहुत नेचुरल हैं, बहुत अच्छी तरीके से काम किया, हम लोगों को बहुत अच्छा लगा।
I haven't seen a lot of the show, but I do love like murder mysteries and investigation TV shows a lot. Sure. Show में आने का बहुत मज़ा आया. Right now I have to finish the show and do a dance still, so I think once a whole episode is done, it's going to turn out really nice. But I am part of the show today. My character is someone who went to the hotel when it first opened, and I didn't know that I had a video clip in my phone, and they come back and there's some murders that happened here, and they're here to investigate.
अच्छा होगा बिल्कुल, और सनी जब डांस करेंगे तो बहुत ही अच्छा होगा डेफिनेटली। प्रोमो में अगर सनी आई हैं तो उसको हम करेंगे ही, प्रोमो भी अच्छे चलेंगे।
TV shows are usually the most fun. बहुत मज़ा आता है क्योंकि you get to meet सब actors को मिलते हैं और काम करना उसके साथ, so it's a lot of fun to be able to do that because हम bubble में रहते हैं usually and we don't get to venture out and meet new people or किसी और के साथ काम करना, it doesn't always happen because you get stuck doing stuff. Promotions बहुत काम है. Balaji is keeping me busy every second of the day. मुझे छोड़ने जाते, they're not letting me go. So it's been very tiring but very exciting. All of our promotions are turning out amazing. My favorite so far has been Jaipur. So many people came out to support and you can't thank the fans enough for coming out. हाँ, मैं बहुत nervous हूँ. Actually जब मैं shooting कर रही थी मैंने ऐसा सोचा नहीं है कि this is my movie or this is this or anything like that. मैंने सिर्फ सोचा कि हम actors हैं और हम साथ में काम करें और ये बड़ा picture होगा. So now that everybody's asking me the same question, of course मैं बहुत nervous हो गई. And मैं सिर्फ चाहती हूँ that everybody likes the show or likes the movie and enjoys and gets very scared. Sure, I'm helping be a part of Ek episode, and so far it's been fun. I didn't know I was going to be memorizing lines today, so थोड़ा सा difficult था, but I think everything is turning out well. Well, they're investigating a murder case or murder cases that are happening in a hotel, and I just happened to be there on the first day of the hotel opening, and I had a performance there, and I'm telling them about how my phone had recorded certain incidents of I guess spooky activity, something I don't even know yet, and that's I'm helping them solve their case hopefully.
सनी, क्या बात है, आप जब भी आप प्रमोशन के लिए कहीं भी जा रहे हैं, किसी भी सीरियल या रियलिटी शो का हिस्सा बन रहे हैं, आप डांस ज़्यादा कर रहे हैं।
I don't know क्या हो रहा है. I guess everybody मुझे dance they want me to dance, they want to see me dance, I guess. Either enjoy it or make fun of me on TV, who knows, we'll find out. But अच्छा है क्योंकि dance में मज़ा आता है. Actually my show, I haven't seen a lot of the show, but I've heard a lot about it, and I'm so happy to be here. Sure. I do like watching shows like this. One of my favorites is like Dexter. So it's I don't know if it's similar, but they're investigating cases, which is something that they haven't.
पूरे केस में एक मिस्टीरियस मर्डर हो जाता है एक होटल में, और CID को थोड़ा हेल्प मिलती है सनी के कैरेक्टर से, जो रागिनी का कैरेक्टर कर रही है. इसमें इन्होंने एक क्लिप रिकॉर्ड किया हुआ है जिसमें पूरे एपिसोड का क्रक्स है, और वो क्लिप आपको एपिसोड में ही देखने को मिलेगा.
TV shows are usually the most fun. बहुत मज़ा